Making money on Wattpad is possible through various methods, especially for writers and authors who can create engaging content. Here's how to get started. Wattpad Stars Program. The Wattpad Stars program allows authors to get paid for writing stories. To join, you must meet certain criteria, such as having a substantial following and producing high-quality content. Once you're accepted into the program, you can earn money when your stories are featured on the platform or licensed to be published, adapted, or turned into other media like TV shows or movies. Paid stories. Wattpad also allows you to monetize your stories by setting up paid chapters. You can unlock certain chapters and charge readers to unlock them. As readers unlock your paid chapters, you will earn a portion of the revenue. This is a great option for authors with a loyal fan base. Book deals and licensing. Wattpad connects writers with publishers who are interested in purchasing the rights to your stories. If your story is picked up for a book deal, film adaptation, or licensing, you can receive a lump sum or royalty payments.